We're going to use the diaphragm as our landmark. Just inferior to the opening of the diaphragm on your abdominal aorta, 3 arteries come out. Here's one, here's one. The third one has been cut off, truncated. This 3-artery combo is called your celiac trunk. Is that on your list?
Yes.
Good.
Is it
You did not
trunk because it's more than 2?
Pardon?
Is it trunk because it's more than 1?
No, it's a trunk because it's like a trunk of a tree and branches come out from it. But just the 3rd artery comes relatively forward before it goes, so they've cut it off here. But in real life, it's 3 arteries.
Okay.
That model does not have a celiac trunk. This is the only model we're going to ask it off of. What is this?
Kidney.
Which kidney?
Left.
Left.
What? Oh.
What blood vessel is this? We'll start with the word left.
Kidney. Left kidney.
Renal. Only one word left. It's blue. Left renal vein. You don't need to know this today. You need to know this as a landmark. Do you see an artery going right over the left renal vein?
Yes.
You got one there too. That is the superior mesenteric artery. You're hiding it with your right arm completely. Superior mesenteric artery going over the left renal vein. You're in the back. You can't see the left renal vein. Now you can. There's a blood vessel going right over it. If we follow the abdominal aorta further down, another vein comes out. Artery. Another artery comes out from your abdominal aorta. That is the inferior mesenteric artery. There is one on that guy. Now it becomes tricky. Your abdominal aorta is going to split left and right for just a little bit. The first split is the right and left common iliac arteries. Do you see them there? Nope, not that far down before they split again. That very first split. Right and left common iliac.
Common mean 2.
Common? Nope. It means where everything's the same. Because they're going to split again. That's why this is the common. It's the first split.
I've heard common a couple times.
To the right?
It's before it's before it becomes more split off and becomes more specific. That's the word of use of common. It's going to split again on the right and the left. Part of it's going to stay in the front as your right and left external iliac arteries. The part that goes backward would be your right and left internal. We've already used external arteries. Do you see all of those? Now, with
External goes which way?
these are the external,
On top?
and then I don't know where it goes. That's internal.
What is it feeding the internal?
Internal will go back and feed pelvic muscles, reproductive organs.
And external's doing what?
It will eventually become your femoral artery, which we'll ask in a minute.
Oh, right.
Oh,
Okay, coming back up are the same things in the veins. Arteries are going that way. From the vein, we're going to start distal. So you're going to have a right and left external iliac vein, right and left internal iliac veins, right and left common iliac veins. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 10 arteries in the 2-inch area, 10 arteries and veins. It's fun. It's a lot of words. Actually, maybe I will have something there. You see the vein? Poison. These are digitals. You guys have been saying digitalis the whole night. Digitalis will make your heart arrest without killing you. Digitals. These. Anyone? Digitals. Wait, there's more.
The breakdown.
Digitals. How about that? What else do I ask off of this guy? What is this long, unbroken vein that goes on? There you go. Do we see this vein, this artery that is the most lateral artery on the leg? I will actually deform it even further out to the side. No, I won't. What's this most lateral artery called on your leg?
Peroneal.
Peroneal. This is one where you need to say left, well, everything left, right. That's the left peroneal artery.
You can't say fibula?
You can say fibular, but it bugs the crap out of me. Fibular is a relatively new invention. Peroneal's been around for more than 100 years as peroneal. So your left subclavian, bless you, clavian, that's it right here where it comes away from your heart further. Under your clavicle is where your subclavian would be. So where you figure your collarbone would be. But I will ask it relatively close inside, because if I come out even this farther forward, I want axillary. Right where this artery ends is the axillary. Right axillary artery. Right where the artery gets cut off. If I come inside from there, right subclavian. Okay. I'm going to stand up. Oh. Okay, see this relatively thick vein? Thick vein? Which one would that be?
Left and right common.
They're veins.
Jugular.
Which jugular?
Show me again. Internal.
Internal. Left and right internal jugular. See these little ones coming out, just out from it? Those are the external jugular. Now we've already done common carotid. I generally will only do left even on this model. This is the left common carotid artery, same as that. Same as that. Jeez. Hopefully I'm not teaching this class. I've asked it from both. But I want you to know when you trace this up, it's going to split. Part of it's going to go outward. This part right here is the external carotid, not external common. Common and external are two different parts. External carotid and internal carotid arteries. Left external, left internal. Internal goes right to the brain. All right, here's where it becomes guesswork. I hate this so much. Can we picture a head right here?
Mm-hmm.
There's an ear right here.
So,
The artery that goes around the ear would be auricular.
I don't see that.
You don't have auricular on your list? Superior auricular?
Nope.
Goes from this lab.
Oh.
You don't have arteries of the head?
That was from this lab. First one.
Yeah.
And the superficial temporalis.
Really?
That was from